Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your website with YouTube ads in 2023. YouTube ads provides a powerful platform to drive traffic and increase visibility for your website. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create and optimize your YouTube ads to effectively promote your website. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For me here, I'm going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have in your PC or you prefer. But before launching your YouTube ad campaign, it's essential to define your promotion goals. Make sure to determine what you want to achieve with your ads. Whether it's driving website traffic or increase conversions or even boosting brand awareness. Clear goals will help you tailor your ad campaign and measure its success. So keep that in mind. Defining your promotion goals is a very important step, and it's the first step that you should take before trying to do anything. After that, of course, you'll have to go and set up a Google Ads account. So to run YouTube ads, you will need the Google Ads account. So if you want, or if you don't have one already, you'll have to go and visit Google Ads website and create an account for yourself. Go to the URL section, type Google Ads, and hit the enter button. And then make sure to go to the first link. If you're facing any issues with language, you can always scroll down and fix the language from here, because I had that problem earlier until I fix it. So you can scroll down here and check all the languages that you want. Depending on what you want, select it and you will find the language that you want. And as I said, if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into that account. But if you don't, you can always go here and click on start now to create a new account for yourself. For me, I'm just going to click on sign in, and this will sign me right away into my account because I just was signed in 2 minutes ago. So once I am here, of course, I will have to start identifying my target audience. So understanding your target audience is crucial for effective ad targeting. Identify the demographics, interests, and preferences of the audience that you would or that would be the most interested in your website, and this will help you create more relevant ads and reach the right people that you want. So, not a lot of people or not everyone will be interested in the things that you're doing, so make sure to target the right audience and identifying them before. And of course, the success of your YouTube ad campaign relies on creating compelling content that grabs attention and drives viewers to visit your website. So consider the format of your ad, such as pre-roll ad or display ad, highlights the unique value of your website, showcase enticing visual, and includes a clear call to action to encourage viewers to click through your website. Make sure to even set some ads campaign parameters. So in Google Ads, of course, you will set up your ad campaign parameters. Make sure to define your ad budget, targeting options, ad format, and campaign duration. Consider factors like ad placement, keywords also, demographics also, and interests to reach your target audience effectively. Because as I said before, not everyone is interested in what you're doing. That is just a fact. You can take it or leave it. So after that, of course, make sure to even monitor and optimize the ad performance. So once your ads are live, regularly monitor their performance and make necessary optimization. Track metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per click. Experiment with different ad variations, targeting options, and build in strategies to maximize your ads effectiveness. Make sure to even utilize their marketing and custom audiences. So, to enhance your ad campaign, leverage marketing and custom audiences, and use YouTube More marketing features to target users who have previously interacted with your website. Create custom audiences based on specific criteria, such as user behavior or interest, to deliver more personalized ads. Make sure to even expand your reach by collaborating with influencers or partnering with other websites or brands in your niche. Cross promote each other websites to tap into new audiences. Collaborations can help generate more traffic and increase brand visibility. And it's even pretty easy to use. You can simply go and contact or DM some influencer on his Gmail or Instagram account or whatever account he has, and you will reach an agreement between you two. It's pretty simple even to do. You'll not even need a third party user or app. So after that, of course, you would like to engage with your viewers. So engaging with your viewers who interact with your ads and visits your website will be very helpful more than you think. Respond to comments, offer support if needed, and provide valuable content to keep visitors engaged and encourage them to explore your website further. Even creating, like as an example, a fact or frequently asked questions section on a website or a page that will help them understand a lot of things that they may have. And of course, you can always update this section, or you can, as I said, engage with them on the comment section and offer support whenever needed. Because engaging with your audience is very helpful. And of course, after running your ad campaigns, measure the results and gather insights. Make sure to even analyze the data to understand which ads performed best and why did it perform. Just get in the best ads and try to make like them. So which audiences responded well and which landing page drove the most conversions. So use this information. It's pretty important to refine your targeting, messaging, and overall ad strategies for your future campaigns. So basically, you'll have to look for whatever ad works the best and try to make other ads like it or other campaigns like it and see if the result is going well. If it's not, people, of course, may just not like the repetitive things. So just come or try to come with another creative ideas. You can always go and try it out and see and monitor how they are doing and see if they're doing well. You can still go on them. And of course, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've learned how to promote your website with YouTube ads in 2023, or basically Google Ads. By defining, of course, your promotion goals and creating, compiling ad content, targeting the right audience, monitoring and optimizing campaigns, leveraging marketing and collaborators, engaging with your audience, and measuring results, you're well equipped to drive traffic and increase visibility for your website. Remember to continuously refine your strategies based on data and insight to maximize your promotion efforts. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your promoting with your website through YouTube ads.